budget-friendly na bakasyon. Tara, abot ka pa sa summer. Let's go explore Batangas! We went to Anilao Port at sumakay kami ng ferry going to Tingloy. Ang first stop natin, Masasa Beach. Let's go! Pagdating mo sa port, sakay ka lang ng shark and you say you're going to Masasa. And magbabayad ka lang ng 160 going there. Kapit mga best, walang chika pero mabilis talaga yung trike nila. Welcome to Masasa Beach! Yes, walang entrance and then maraming pagpipilian. We went there golden hour around 4 p.m. and these are some of the shots sa mga iconic places. Welcome to Masasa Beach! This is the beach area. Maraming pwedeng gawin. May kayak for 150 unlimited shots. Maraming food stalls and maraming shakes. Kami, we went go eating balot. But we weren't able to take shots na. And we watched the sunset. Sobrang ganda. Worth it. Pabalik, trike ulit. Shout out kay Tatay Ramil and sa Timothy Homestay. Sobrang maasikaso sila. And ito yung gabi namin. We're gonna swim. Let's go. Sobrang linaw ng tubig. Ayaw mo naman kita yung linaw. Kumari mangunguha tayo ng fish. Babalik ba kami? Of course. Pero syempre, kailangan magdala ng pasensya kasi medyo mahaba yung pila sa port. But we enjoyed. That will be all. Ta-ta!